Hello, welcome back. Here's how you can wrap a text into a shape in Adobe Illustrator, a designing program. So let's say if we have the text that says round and then it's wrapped into this circle, just like this. Let's create one. So all we have to do now is to create the text, click on the type tool and then type round, for example, and then make it large. Right click, create outlines, just like this. When you're done, create a circle. So use the rectangle tool, hold the shift key, and then round the corners. Select these two, select everything, and then head over to object, envelope, distort, and then click on make with top object. Easy! You've created this text wrapped into this shape. You can also do this for a capsule, for example. Click on the text. No, not the text. Type tool. Type capsule. Just like this. Make it large, just like so. And then right click, create outlines, and then click on the rectangle tool again. And then afterwards you simply create this one. This square. And then you round the corners. Drag this one. And then all you have to do now is to select these two again. Object, envelope, distort, make with top object. Done. Fancy. You've created this capsule looking text just like this one. Oh, fancy, isn't it? And that is how you can wrap a text into a shape in Adobe Illustrator, a designing program, so that you can create cool, geometry or 3D objects with the text on the surface of the 3D object. It's more like an illusion, eh? Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. From me, it's good day. Ciao.